Hello everyone, today we will start seeing those please and how to search for this elephant. I will show you now some warm-up and how to do this. So we'll start drawing our legs. So 1, 2, 3. Let's change side on the floor on ourselves and down. So 2 and 3. Good work. And starting pushing up our knees. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Try to take the step and starting to pushes and back. 2 and back. And try stretch like more and stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take breathe. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like it. Subscribe me, take me a lot of likes, and bye bye.